sick of run as fast as I can. But I would if I was a man. Ano daw? I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or done. But I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers there. I'm already on my way. My last day today in Interlaken. Last look at this view. This beautiful view. Ang ganda ng chalet na to, guys. So, ayan, yung apple ko. Ayan, all my bags are packed. Tinan nyo sa flight. Oh my God. Alright, so magbe-breakfast muna tayo. And then, I'll be back. Typical breakfast, we have croissant, cold cuts, and we've got coffee, and of course, fresh juice. Yeah, bon appetit. Interlaken. They're so beautiful on it. So let's ride one bus going to Interlaken Ost. Huwag na tayo mag-train kasi mas convenience. We're here to leave my luggage. Maganda dito, guys, kasi pwede mo lang siyang iwan. Yarn. So, English. O, diba? Manghula tayo. May English pala. Deposit luggage. Yan. So, ayun guys. Mag-deposit tayo ng ating luggage. Kasi, hindi ko siya kayang dalhin din sa kung saan man ako pupunta. Ayan, yun pala. 10. Okay, 10 pounds. Ba't mahal? Hindi siya kasi dyan. Okay, fine. Guys, so, printing ticket, dyan siya. 209. Huwag natin kalimutan. So, after that, when we collect the luggage, we'll just scan it here. So, it's there for whole day. Whole day ba? 6 hours. Ayan. So, dyan tayo. Okay? Ayan, guys. Mahal talaga lahat dito. Ayan, guys. We'll go to Grindelwald. And guys, right across the Interlaken Ost, dito yung Lake Breens. Yung mga boats. Yan siya. Diyan sumakay si Yun Siri going to Iseltwald because now hindi siya nag-ooperate because I think winter time the lake is
low. So, wala silang boat going to Iseltwald around this time of the year during winter season. Pero guys, look at that view. Ang ganda-ganda. Char. Yan. Wala silang biyahe. But they get to travel sa may bandang soon. Hopefully, I get to visit soon later after I get back from saan ba ako pupunta? Grindelwald. Yan. Ganda, diba? Sobrang bilis lang ikutin ng Switzerland if you have the Swiss travel pass. At first, I thought it's just a waste of money kasi mahal talaga siya. But in all fairness, it made my travel so convenient, so worth it yung binayaran ko for unlimited ride for 6 days. Ayun. So, yeah. See you in a bit. Going to Grindelwald! Dito na tayo kumain. Dito ako nalaglag nung isang araw. Epic fail si Bonica. Pero what to do, yummy. Yan talaga ang buhay. Buti walang bumagsak sa akin. Yung pit ko lang yung bumagsak. Buti malaki yung pit ko. Ay, man naman dito. Yan. Ang ganda dito, guys. And the weather is so good this week. Sila lahat nakakot. Ako nakakot ako, pero init na init pa rin ako, guys. Dyan, so I left my luggage somewhere there. And we're back in Interlaken. Ganda ng train system nila dito. Hindi ka talaga maliligaw. Pero, takbo ka lang ng takbo, guys. Kailangan mo lang tumakbo. Ayan, guys. We're heading to Grindelwald today. Ayan. Kapag check out na ako in my hotel here in Interlaken, we'll spend a day in Grindelwald. So, let's go! Ang may utot, guys. Ito ba yan? So, ayan, guys. We're on our way to Grindelwald. Ayan, so we're going to Grindelwald. Wow, ganda ng araw. Sana ganito all day. Pare. Hello guys, I'm here in Grindelwald, first ban, pero aura muna tayo. You know, the weather is amazing. It's perfect. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. I still think na mas malamig back in the UK than in here. So, and mainit siya actually, guys. Very humid. Pero naka pang ano tayo, winter waterproof outfit of the day. Hi guys! Grindelwald. Yes, so we'll try to go up to Grindelwald first later. Let's soak in this view. I'm so sick of running as fast as I can. But I would if I was a man. Ano daw? Let's go. Cute. So let's explore Grindelwald first. Yan. It's beautiful. Sunny day out. Actually guys, hindi ko alam saan ako pupunta. This was a movie, you'd be here by now. Ano daw? Ganda guys. Sobrang this view guys. Wala, napadaan lang. Ganyan lang yung view niya. Parang ano lang siya. Parang gumana. So let's go find the cable car. Guys, palobat na yung phone ko pero bahala na si Batman. Char. Galing ng mga bata dito. Galing nila mag-German. At ang galing nila mag-ski. So, ayan. Let's enjoy this view. Soak it in, guys. Soak in the view. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys. This camera doesn't do any justice. Pero, ang ganda ng small village na to. Cute ng cafe niya guys. Winter Door Fleet. Yan. Tsaka yung bahay doon. Ooh! Look at that view. Alam mo, what I like about here in Grindelwald, para siyang small Christmas village. Very aesthetic. Char. Ang ganda ng Swiss Alps, guys. Definitely a dream come true. Ay, ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda mag-emo dyan, oh. Very beautiful. Guys, ang ganda ng view dito. Pwede ba dito na lang ako mag-retire? Pwede ba? Dito na lang, please. Lego! Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda-ganda dito. You have to visit this place once. Ito, chapel siya dyan. Imagine waking up to this view every single day, you guys. Diba? Parang ang sarap mabuhay. Yung ano lang, enjoy ka lang, read a book, love life, live like you're dying. Char. Ano daw? Ayan. So, ang dami nagsiski dito. Hindi ko lang sure. Oo, ang dami nagsiski. Ang ganda, no? Feeling ko kasi uulan na. So, baba na tayo. Yan. Saan yung flag ng Pilipinas dyan? Di wala. Char. Yan. Maganda dito, guys. Maraming bus palagi. So, guys, tingnan nyo yung office nila. Ang ganda-ganda. Look at that view. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Ganyan, guys. Ganyan siya kaganda. So, this is indeed a beautiful place. Another tick off my bucket list. But who cares? It's so worth it. So, you know, to those who also want to try solo traveling, you can do it, guys. I can. Why can't you? Diba? Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ako ba yung maganda? Okay, so that's it for our Grindelwald adventure. I am heading down to Thun para makita natin yung Sigur's Wheel bridge kung saan gustong tumalon ni Yonseri. Ayoko namang tumalon doon, you know, but I just have to check since andito na ako, diba? So, ayan. Bubas lang tayo, guys, going down to the Grindelwald station and then baba tayo ng Interlaken. Saan pala yun? Naligaw. So, signal na yun na umalis na tayo. ganyan lang guys. Ganyan lang mag-iwan ng luggage here in Switzerland. Ayan. So, good thing I just brought with me like a small bag. Kasi kung malaki pa to, hindi ko alam paano ko siya gagawin. So, ayan. We're just waiting for our next train to Bern. So, guys, this is the Jungfrau region. So, ayan siya. Top of Europe. And Schiltern, Marin, Lauterbrunnen, Grindelwald. Nandito tayo sa baba, Interlaken. Ayan guys. So we're heading to Baden. Ito tayo sa may CR. Beautiful Interlaken. Now I'm heading back to Zurich. Kain tayo guys. Marami kong ba. So I don't have time to eat out. So ayan. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Diba? So guys, may baon ako kasi I don't have time to eat out and nagmamadali ako kasi I'm catching a train. So bumili na lang ako ng sandwich, drink, and some Madeleines. Ayan. With the view. Diba? Galing. Ganda. Char. And look at their charger nasa taas. Paano? How? Yan. Having my lunch while waiting. Nagsasawa na ako sa bread guys. Gusto ko na ng rice. Kailangan ko nang bumalik ng Zurich para makakain ako ng rice. So, I'm heading down to Bern. No, I'm heading down to Baden. So, ito yung itsura ng Laagan. So, ayan, I'm on my way to my cousin's place. Malapit lang naman sa kanila dito from the train station, like about 5-8 minutes walk. So, ganyan talaga pag gumagala tayo sa nature. Let's go. So, I'm here. Finally, I am back in city of Zurich. Ulit. Char. Drop it to the flow, drop it to the flow then.